Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your speaker Marshall Emberton 3. And all controls we have right here at the top. So let me play some song and I will show it to you how it works. You can play or pause the song by pressing one time and the multifunctional button. So press on it and as you can see I just play a song, press again and you will pause the song. To increase the volume, you need to push up this multifunctional button. So, and as you can see on this widget, I just increase the volume, and to lower the volume, you need to push down this multifunctional button. And as you can see, it also works. To play a next track, you need to push this button to the right. So, push on it, and as you can see, I play next track. To play previous track, you need to push it to the left. And as you can see, it also works. Also, if someone calls to you, you can answer the call by press one time at this multifunctional button, and you can reject the call by press two times on this multifunctional button. Also, right here we have a power button to turn on, turn off your speaker, and the Bluetooth button to enter pairing mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!